Hedge funds are using secret AI tools that give them an unfair advantage. They know what to buy, when to sell, and how to outsmart the market, all with the help of artificial intelligence. But guess what? You can use the same tools, starting today. First up, Holly. This AI lives inside a platform called Trade Ideas. It scans the entire market in real time, backtests thousands of strategies, and spits out actionable trade signals, all before your coffee is done brewing. Next is FinGPT. Think ChatGPT, but trained exclusively on financial data. It summarizes earnings calls, predicts trends, and even explains complex filings in plain English. Hedge funds use it to digest data faster than humanly possible. Kensho is like an AI historian for the stock market. It analyzes how events like Fed decisions, oil spikes, or global conflicts have moved markets, and tells you what might happen next. Kahoot uses a proprietary chi-score, a machine-learned rating of every stock. The higher the score, the more likely it is to outperform. Hedge funds use it to filter opportunities in seconds. Finally, Exern. This tool scans financial news, tweets, and press releases in real time and measures sentiment. Hedge funds use this edge to buy the rumor and sell before the news even hits mainstream media. Let's recap Holly for trade signals, FinGPT for financial insights, Kensho for macro analysis, Kahoot for stock rankings, and Exern for sentiment. These aren't just tools, they're weapons in a financial arms race. Want more breakdowns of AI tools the pros don't want you using? Subscribe now, and I'll show you how to turn these into your own edge.